Hi, today I'm for the LENOVO Yoga Tab 11 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first, to do that, we should launch the Gmail application and then tap to the right upper corner here. Here we'll see all of the available Gmail accounts on our device. Just to log out from one from these accounts, in my case it's only one account, so if you want to log out from Gmail application, you should first log out from Google account on this device. And to do that, click to manage accounts on this device, tap here to your account, to your Google account, and tap to remove. Then confirm your action by click to remove account, and that's it. And now let's go back to the application, and in app we can see that we just successfully got from Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up, subscribe.